In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change username on Twitter. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first up and up to either app. And then tap at your profile picture. At the top left corner here guys. First of all, these bold text is your Twitter name. And the text under it with the @ symbol is your Twitter username. And in this video, I'll show you how you can easily change both of them. So, if you want to change your name, you need to go to your profile, then edit profile. And that's where you can easily find your Twitter name. You can just tap at that text field. And after that you can edit it. You can remove existing one. And then you can put here any new name. And then just hit add. Say if you want to change your Twitter username, you need to go back here, tap it to your profile picture. Hit add settings and support, then settings and privacy, then your account, and then account information. You will be taken to this page where at the very top you can find this username feature. You can tap on it, open it up, and then right here, it will show you your current username and a text field where you can put in your new username. To ask are you sure you want to change your username? Just hit add container, and then just to put in here some username. Just keep in mind that your username has to be unique, because essentially username is a link to your profile. If you see that green check mark next to your new username, you can just hit at done to save your new username. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and to see you in the next one.